This month in November, I finally finished sanding down and painting this old dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $20. It was originally blue. It did take me a couple months just because I had other projects and other things going on, but I finally got it all sanded down and I painted it this awesome yellow color. I wasn't too sure if I really would enjoy the yellow color as much as I do now before I painted it, but now that it's on and it's got some new hardware and a new stained top, man, this thing looks pretty good. I listed it for sale on Facebook Marketplace for $200 1 week ago. I haven't had any offers or bites just yet. Kind of curious to hear from you. What do you think about this price? Do you think it's worth $200? It is on the smaller side of dressers. It's not anything big, crazy, or over the top. But I can really imagine, because how well this came out, I feel like I could get 200 bucks for it. It would be perfect in either a child's room or a beach house or maybe an Airbnb. It's just such an awesome piece. What do you think? Also, this past month, I've been working on this dresser right here. I got this from Facebook Marketplace for $10. I've had this piece for a couple months, just like my other two pieces here. My plan is to give it some new legs since it's missing on the bottom, and to stain the top and to paint the drawers. Probably a blue-gray color. And I also want to give it some new hardware. What do you think about this plan? And last but not least, I have some pretty exciting news. I recently picked up this piece of furniture. It is a stand-up dresser. I'll be sanding it down and painting it a blue-gray color and giving it some new hardware for a family friend. And I'll also be doing this nightstand here. So make sure you subscribe if you're new around here and follow all of the exciting upcoming projects that I have for the channel. That's what's been going on here for the month of November 2023. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.